guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be creating the artwork to put in my YouTube channel. If we go here to my YouTube channel, you'll see it's brand new. So this is probably the first video you're going to see on this channel. And you see there's no artwork here. Now, when I was trying to create my artwork, I found that, of course, Canva has some sort of templates, but one thing I don't like about Canva, if you are familiar with Canva, if not, I'll put a link below so that you can go check it out anyways. But one of the reasons I don't like using Canva is because most of the cool graphics and images and icons and everything you have to pay for. And honestly, I'm not into this about paying every time I'm going to use something. It's just a lot in my budget, and if I do a graphic, I want to be able to use it many times, change the size, change the anything to be able to repurpose that image, and every time you do changes you have to pay again. So there's a lot you can do free, but most of the stuff you can do free at some sort becomes limited. At some point it becomes limited. So today what we're going to do is we're going to use my favorite tool of all, which is Stencil. Now I'm gonna make another video just to talk about Stencil, and I'm gonna make a walkthrough. It's a very easy tool. It's in a way sort of similar to Canva. So if you're familiar with Canva, then this won't be that new for you. What is really cool about it is you don't have to pay every time that you see an icon or a graphic that you like. Okay. Enough about that. Now we're going to focus on creating my YouTube channel artwork, okay? So we're here in my blank Canva. As you can see, it's already grayed out. Right here at the bottom, you see it says YouTube channel art. When you click here, it's going to give you all sorts of different templates that it already comes with, this tool, Stencil. In this case, we're doing the YouTube, so I picked YouTube. And let me just close that here. YouTube channel art. And when you do that, this is what you're going to see. And what I love about this is that it gives you the safe area, right? When you create, there's a lot of other tools online to create YouTube channel art, and they don't give you this safe area. And it's just terrible to try to get it right so that it fits on the right spot in your YouTube channel. It's just terrible. And some of them do give you the safety area, but then it's so hard to figure out and to do everything, and you don't have all the tools you need, all the graphics you need. So far, this has been my choice, my tool to do this. And I'm going to show you really quick how I'm going to do that artwork for my channel. I'm not going to be creating anything complicated. I just want to show you more or less how to do it so that you can go ahead and do yours. You can get as creative as you want, but I'm going to go ahead and start mine, okay? So first, I'm going to make the background the same color as my brand. If you've been to my website, mindfulsolopreneurs.com, you've realized that my brand colors are this salmon color with black and green. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in my artwork. I'm going to just click on the Canva, and this pop-up is going to come up. I'm going to go ahead and click here for the color, and I've already saved my colors before, so I'm going to just pick my color so that I don't have to look for it again. That's my color. I've added my logo. In Stencil, you have the ability to upload your own logos right here. And what I usually do, which I'll create another tutorial separately if you're interested, let me know in the comments, is I create my logo using Stencil. I download it, and then I upload it again so that I have it as my logo here. So everything that you see here has been created with this tool and then re-uploaded for use. Okay, now as you see, I added my logo here. I put it to the right side, and I'm going to put my head in here in the middle. I'm going to add text. You do that by clicking here in the A+. I'm going to try to center that here on the top. I'm going to grab my my wording, which I had done previously this video, so that we wouldn't take too long. I'm going to highlight everything, make the size smaller, way smaller. And let's try that. But this is not my font, so let me start by changing my font. You can upload your own fonts. So if you have custom-made fonts that you bought somewhere else that are part of your branding, you can upload that here too. It's all free. Not free, but it's all part of your membership, so you don't have to pay extra for anything. I'm gonna look for I think this one is Brandon. So it looks starting to look nice, but it's a little big for my taste. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the font a tiny bit smaller. Maybe that's too much. I think that's good. But the space in between, it's a little too big for my preference. I'm gonna go here in line height and make the lines a little closer to each other. There, I think I like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna add here at the bottom what I'm gonna be doing, my frequency that I post. So I'm gonna line it there. I'm gonna add here that I do videos every Thursday. Now this is a little big also, so I'm gonna just resize this to go a little bit longer so that it's all in one line. And I don't think I want that in bold, it's still too intense, so I'm gonna change it to light, my font type of light. I think I'll actually make it a tiny bit smaller, so that's as small as it goes. Okay, I think I like that. Now let's add some color to this, or some sort of graphics so that it doesn't look so boring, right? I'm gonna go to icons, and I'm gonna go here. When you come here, you have all kinds of icons that you can select from. I'm gonna start with shapes. I'm not gonna make something too complicated on this graph, so I'm just gonna go ahead with shapes, and I'm gonna just select a square because I'm gonna create an effect of highlight, which I like on my stuff for my brand. I'm gonna create a rectangle like this. And I'm going to send it to the back. So I'm going to send it all the way back. See, now it's grayed out here. That means that's as far back as it can go. That's good. Now I'm going to grab all my font. I'm going to highlight it and change it to white so that you can see it now. And I'm going to grab another rectangle. And I'm going to do the same thing. Bring it down here. Make it a little bit bigger. And here. And move it back. Perfect. I'm going to slide it down a little bit so that it's all covered and bring this up. Okay, I like that. It doesn't have to look even. I don't like even highlights, so this looks good for me, for my taste. And then I'm going to add some sort of graphic just to kind of break the pattern in the back. So I think I'm going to go with this little star asterisk. I could probably add one up here. I'm going to switch it a little bit. There you go. Turn it around. And let me add another one. Maybe I can add one here. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. And let's add a third one. I can put it right here. Kind of like coming out of it. Okay. Now for this, I don't know if I want it like this. I think I'm going to add, let's try something, see how it looks. Let's just add another rectangle. And I'm going to put it all across our Canva. And I'm going to change the color to white. And I'm going to move it back. See how it looks. Let's see. I think it kind of brings up a little bit. Move this down a little bit. I think I like that. I mean, I don't need anything too fancy. Just a quick comment here on your YouTube artwork. You always want to have just a very simple phrase that kind of tells the audience what they can get if they stay watching your channel. I hope I captured it properly here. I'm going to be testing, probably create a few versions of this and see, try to have them in different months and see if it makes any difference at all on my subscribers. I mean, this is a brand new channel and I'm completely just testing the waters here, so maybe I can change this, have like 3 versions and then kind of change them here and there, because unfortunately YouTube doesn't have A/B testing yet, not that I know of, so we have to kind of do it manually and change it and see what happens. But for now, I think this captures my message. So let's go ahead and download this. Now that you have your graphic, I'm going to go ahead and save it. Once it's saved here, you'll see it's going on percentage here. Sometimes it takes a little bit because when I'm filming, my internet somehow still slows down. Okay, it's saved. Now I'm going to go ahead and download it. Now here you can change the name of your file. So I'm going to go ahead and change. I'm going to leave it as YouTube channel art. And I'm going to put Mindful Solopreneurs. I always add keywords or the name of my business to the images because Google looks at the file name for search engine purposes. So if they don't find me through my website, maybe they'll find me through an image. It doesn't hurt. So we're going to go ahead and do that. It comes already in the dimensions that YouTube requires it. You can upgrade it. You could probably basically double it here if you select this option. So it's going to be a lot more pixels in it. It's way better quality, but YouTube not always allows that. So I'm going to just stick to the dimensions that they allow. And I'm going to keep it as JPEG because it's usually lighter to upload so it doesn't slow down. And I'm going to keep the media type digital. So I'm going to download that. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's go to my channel and upload it, right? So I'm going to go ahead and here click on the pencil, edit channel. And I'm going to upload the picture. And let's see how it looks. I'm going to adjust crop just to see. No, I think it's fine. Let's just see how it looks. So let's just go with that. Okay. So that's how it's going to look when you upload it. I think I'm fine with it. I don't think I'm going to be making any change right now. I'm going to keep it like that. And that way, good is better than perfect, because if you get stuck in perfection, you're never going to launch this channel, right? So I'm just going to go with this, and I'm not going to change it right now. This is good enough for me. Okay, I hope I made some sense out of this. Again, this tool is Stencil.com. Stencil, you can get it at getstencil.com. I'm going to have a link below. I do have an affiliate account with them, so that basically means that if you do buy or you do sign up to use Stencil, I get a tiny commission, but you won't even feel it because it will be paid by them and not by you. So I appreciate if you like it, if you like the tool, you want to try it out, you can go ahead and do that using my affiliate link below. I'm going to have a few other tutorials coming up this week, so stay tuned. And if you have anything particular that you're having a hard time creating, then please go ahead, comment below, and I'm going to make that for you. Okay? Thank you. Bye.